Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change password Netflix application in computer. So how to change password Netflix application in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Netflix application on your computer. Well, this is on the initial Netflix display. To change the Netflix account password, move the cursor to the top corner of the screen. Here there is a profile icon, and tap the profile icon. Here a scrolling menu will appear. And select the account menu. Well, it's already in the account menu. There are many menu options here. Change password, go to the security menu. Here it is already on the security menu page. Tap password. Now here it is already in the new password creation menu to change. Current password is the password you currently use to log into your account or application, and you need to enter the correct password to verify your identity before you can change it. New password is the new password you want to set, which will replace your old password. While re-enter new password asks you to retype the new password that has been entered previously, to ensure that the password you choose is correct and there are no typos. With these three columns, you can change your account password to a new one. After finishing, tap Save this. So that's it, tutorial how to change password Netflix application in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.